Patio doors. Clinton Township offers a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. These doors are not only stylish but also functional, providing easy access to your patio or backyard. Sliding patio doors Clinton Township are available in various materials, including vinyl and aluminum, ensuring durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient patio doors. Clinton Township are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These doors are designed with advanced insulation technology, such as double-pane glass, to minimize heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. By choosing energy-efficient patio doors, homeowners in Clinton Township can enjoy lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Custom patio doors. Clinton Township allow homeowners to personalize their entryways to match their unique style and preferences. With a wide range of designs, materials, and finishes available, custom patio doors can be tailored to fit any architectural style. Whether you prefer the classic look of French patio doors or the modern appeal of glass patio doors, custom options ensure a perfect fit for your home. Patio door installation. Clinton Township requires the expertise of skilled professionals to ensure a flawless fit and optimal performance. Experienced patio door experts in Clinton Township provide comprehensive installation services, from initial consultation to final inspection. Proper installation is crucial for maximizing the lifespan and functionality of your patio doors. Patio door replacement Clinton Township is a cost-effective solution for upgrading outdated or damaged doors. Replacing old patio doors with new, energy-efficient models can enhance your home's appearance and improve its energy efficiency. Patio doors Clinton Township services and offer a variety of styles and materials to suit any budget and design preference. Patio door replacement. Clinton Township is essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your doors. Common issues such as broken hardware, damaged screens, or faulty locks can compromise the safety and efficiency of your patio doors. Professional replacement services in Clinton Township can address these problems quickly and effectively, ensuring your doors remain in top condition. Vinyl patio doors Clinton Township are a popular choice for homeowners seeking a low-maintenance and cost-effective option. Vinyl is resistant to weathering, fading, and corrosion, making it an ideal material for patio doors in Michigan's climate. Vinyl patio doors are available in various styles and colors, allowing homeowners to customize their look. Aluminum patio doors. Clinton Township offer a sleek and modern appearance, perfect for contemporary homes. Aluminum is lightweight yet strong, providing excellent durability and security. These doors are also resistant to rust and corrosion, making them a practical choice for homeowners in Clinton Township. Glass patio doors. Clinton Township provide an unobstructed view of the outdoors, creating a bright and airy atmosphere inside your home. Available in various styles, including sliding and French designs, glass patio doors can be customized with different glass types and finishes to enhance privacy and energy efficiency.